Today we're working in Chapter 9. We're working with measurements and conversion. The first problem, we want to change 7 miles into so many yards. We need to know a conversion factor that 5,280 feet is equal to 1 mile, and that 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. So we take 7 miles, and we're going to use algebraic thinking, and we multiply by a unit factor. How about that 5,280 feet is the same as 1 mile. Notice the miles are cancel out, so we're now in feet. If we now multiply this by 3 feet, the feet goes into the denominator so that we can cancel feet is equal to 1 yard. Feet cancel. Then the actual calculation is going to turn out to be in yards. And if we calculate, that is going to be 12,320 yards. Okay, let's look at another problem. We want to change 42 feet into inches. We might want to know that 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. So therefore, 42 feet, if we multiply by a unit factor, that 12 inches and 1 foot say the same thing. Notice the feet cancel out, and if we multiply, we get 504 inches. Okay, for the next problem, we need to convert pounds into tons as well as into ounces. We happen to know that 2,000 pounds is equal to 1 ton. So therefore, if we take 1,673 pounds and multiply by the unit factor that 1 ton is the same as 2,000 pounds, this is a division, and we have to write the answer as many places that the calculator gave us, so it's 0.8365 tons. I think if you use less digits, the computer will probably mark you wrong. We now would like to take the pounds and convert it to ounces. We need to note that 16 ounces is the same as 1 pound. So 1,673 pounds multiplied by the unit factor that 16 ounces is the same as 1 pound. The pounds cancel, and we're left with 26768 ounces. All right, we now need to change 17 inches into so many feet and leftover inches. We note that 12 inches is the same as 1 foot. So 17 inches is really equal to 12 inches plus 5 inches. But 12 inches is 1 foot, and we have 5 inches left over. Want to change 26 pints into fluid ounces? Well, I know that 2 cups is equal to 1 pint, that 8 fluid ounces is the same as 1 cup. Let's go through the process. 26 pints. Let's get rid of the pints, so we have that 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. So pints are gone, we're now into cups. And if we multiply 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces, it looks like we're multiplying 26 times 2 times 8 to get the answer of 416 fluid ounces. In this problem, we're asked to add 2 measurements together, 13 pounds, 3 ounces, subtract 13 pounds, 3 ounces subtract 8 pounds, 8 ounces. Well, we can't take the 8 ounces away from 3. We need to borrow from the 13, so this becomes 12 pounds. And we borrowed 1 pound, but we note that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So I'm going to add 16 ounces over here that we borrowed. We're getting a total of 19 ounces. Now we're able to subtract 8 ounces from 19, leaving 11 ounces. And 8 from 12 is going to be 4 pounds. So 4 pounds, 11 ounces. Here we're asked to add some mixed units. We have 26 pounds, 7 ounces. We want to add that to 27 pounds, 14 ounces. Well, let's add the pounds. 7 and 6 is 13, 3 and 2 is 5, so we have 53 pounds at the moment. If we add the ounces, we have 21 ounces. But we note that 16 ounces is the same as 1 pound. So 21 ounces could be written as 16 ounces and 5 ounces. But 16 ounces is 1 pound. And then we have 5 ounces. So we need to add the pounds together for a final answer of 54 pounds, 5 ounces. That's all, folks.